Well, we're back with you on the Market Day Report. I'm Marlon Bowling with you. I'm joined by Dewey Strickler of AgWatch Market Advisors in Franklin, Kentucky. We're going to take a look at the livestock trade in a second. In the meantime, I want to catch up on our outside markets as well this morning. How are they doing? Well, let's take a look at a couple of things. First off, let's take a look at this crude oil market. It's having some issues this morning, kind of following through from last week where we had a lower trend all week long. This morning, we have the West Texas Intermediate crude showing September futures at $40.82 right now. That's down another 78 cents in value from where we closed last Friday. Of course, remember, we had some lower trade basically all week last week. Now, what about the dollar this morning? The dollar has been chopping around, and right now we have September U.S. dollar index futures 130 points higher at 95.690. So that's the latest on our outside markets. Dewey, I want to talk with you about this livestock trade. We'll start on the cattle market. It looks like we had cash cattle trade out there in the plains that developed at prices that were anywhere from about $1 to as much as $3 higher than the previous week. And some analysts thought that that was actually the shot in the arm that that market needed. Now, it didn't develop until later in the day. One analyst I spoke with this morning said, well, they were kind of looking for a $3 higher cash trade. He thought maybe it'd be a disappointment, but the live cattle market is $2 higher now in August. We have October up 213 at 113.85, so apparently they seem to be mildly impressed anyway.
Yes, I think so. Technically, this market looks like it's pretty much wrung out. I think we do have an important bottom end that we made here. I guess it was a week before last here. We're just a little bit above last week's high. I could see the October cattle moving up into the area of about 118 to 120 here over the next several weeks. We've got Labor Day coming in. Packers are going to need to be buying some inventory for that, so cattle market should be pretty well supported.
Good point. Another holiday coming up, a big barbecue holiday, final one in the summer, so that's always the last chance to do a lot of active grilling out there on the part of family reunions and that sort of thing. $2 higher on the August contract right now. Feeder cattle trade, we'll look over there. We have the August contract up a whopping $365 this morning at 143.70 per hundredweight. September up 372 at 142.30, and October up 328 at 141. So, Dewey, do you think this is the excuse that the market was looking for an excuse to turn around and actually bring the bull trend back again?
I think it's definitely going to help. I could see your October feeders going up here to about 146 to the 149 level.
Okay, let's take a look at the lean hog trade. Now, that one has been floundering. It's like somebody threw it an anchor while it was trying to tread water here lately. August lean hogs still down 13 at 68.85 this morning. The other months are higher, though. October, for example, is now up 28 at 59.33, and I'm guessing that's probably your most actively traded contract right now. December up 47.
Yeah, that's right. It looks like the October contract may have put a bottom in here on Friday that has ended the sell-off from 74.5, and if that's the case, we could be looking at this market moving back up, catching some initial resistance at 62.5, but a good chance we might get up to about the 64 level.
Interesting. Dewey, thanks for all the comments this morning. Good to visit with you again. Hope you have a great trading week. Dewey Strickler.
All right, you do the same.
Dewey Strickler is with AgWatch Market Advisors in Franklin, Kentucky, and we thank him for the help.